Hello, I'm Shelina Elyse, your host of Cultural Dishcovery, and here's your tasty tip of the day. We are going to cut, peel, and mince garlic. So here I have a fresh bulb of garlic. I have taken some of the husk off, and then I've cut off the top part to kind of release those cloves. So then we'll take off what we need, and this still has a pretty gnarly piece at the bottom that's holding those together. So actually, let's turn it over for safety. So you're gonna put your knife through the ends of the garlic. You can also do this one at a time if you want. So now we have individual pieces. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel these here, just like so. Now that you have two pieces of garlic peeled, there's a couple of ways that you can do this. To do minced garlic by hand, you're going to cut the garlic in half here, and then cut it very, very small here. Ooh, be very careful, and then you could do it a little bit smaller. If you want, you can also smash the garlic, and that helps release aromatics as well. Now, if you are a gadget person like I am, you may own one of these things. So what you do is you open it here. It's got a flat piece here. There's a cup that releases that has holes. We'll take this. Oh, the garlic piece is a little too large, so we're gonna cut it in half here. Put a piece of garlic in, drop the flat piece down, mash it, and there you have ultra fine minced garlic. But either way that you do this, it's gonna taste delicious in your recipe, but I hope you learned a couple of things today. Until next time.